Hello crafters, welcome to today's Christmas in July video. Today we're going to be making some Christmas ornaments using this paper pad I have in my stash, and it's called Old World Winter. It's a premium cardstock. It's from the Paper Studio. The number is 5011754. I don't know how old it is, but it's a gorgeous vintage paper pad. So I'm going to be using that, some jute twine, some foliage, maybe some red and white gingham ribbon, and the ornaments we're making are going to be using these galvanized flat tart trays. I got a set of 3 on eBay. It says Vivigade Creativity the Scandinavian Way, and it's metal ornament size 9 by 8 by 7.5 centimeters. So I was trying to figure out how I was going to cut the shape in the middle. The nearest thing I've got is this oval die, and this is the largest oval die in the nesting oval die set that I sell in my store. So you can use those. It doesn't cover it perfectly, but then I want this to have that kind of vintage rustic look anyway, so I wasn't too bothered. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw around it. First thing I'm going to do, crafters, is turn my glue gun on. Plug my glue gun in. Right, glue gun plugged in, and then I'm going to cut around that oval die I've just drew around. And using the vintage photo which I have just for this kind of purpose, because I have one that I use for cards, but this one I just use so I can use it directly on surfaces. Ink the edges. And then I will submerge. I shall put that on there like that. One thing you'll also need is, if I can find him, there he is one of the new MDF stag pieces which are available in my store, createathomewithg.com. and again I'm going to use the distress ink on him. Just need to get my scrap piece of paper. I'm going to go using the ink pad. I'm going to just straight onto the MDF. Okay. Just got to wait for my glue gun to warm up, crafters, and then we can carry on. So while we wait, I'm going to cut out the insert for the third one. Right, I've got these berries. I'm just going to cut a berry off for each of my Rudolph. Right, hopefully our glue gun should be warm up, should be ready now. Yep. I'm just going to put some glue on the back. Put this in place. Now, like I say, it doesn't fit it perfectly, but I'm not looking for perfection. Okay, now our little red berries, I can glue those onto our Rudolphs. If I can get hold of it, come here. Oh, just try not to burn my fingers. Let's pop a little bit of glue on here. There we go, so they're ready. Right, now let's put some foliage on our lovely Christmas ornaments. Okay, and then we're going to hot glue our lovely little Rudolphs a bit further up, but I want a I want a jute bow. So I'm going to wrap this around my fingers because I want a quite a thick one. So I'm literally just rolling it wrapped around my fingers, then I'm going to tie a bit of jute in the middle. Okay, so that can have some tails. Let's get rid of that. Pop you there. And let's pop some glue on the back of our Rudolph. Let's pop you there. The same with this one, or do I want some? No, I don't want this ribbon, I want the jute. So same again, I'm just going to wrap it around my fingers a number of times. If these are still available, crafters, I will link them in the description box. I am recording this video in March, so there's a possibility that they may not be available. But the MDF will be available in my store because they won't go live until this video goes live. Okay, there we go. Really simple, really rustic, and will fit really nicely in with my woodland themes. And there's one that I did off camera with the red bow. And then I put a little bit of red ribbon there just to hide the hole, which I still might do with these, but I think I might be overkill with the bows. But there we go. I really like them, really rustic, really woodland themed, and just up my street. Thank you very much for watching, crafters, and you'll see me very soon with more Christmas in July videos. Take care now. Bye bye.